If your cat videos are more organized than your closet, you're ready for AI. Let's dive in and build an image classifier. First up, how does AI actually learn? Think of AI as a student, and data is its textbook. It looks for features like whiskers on a cat and uses those to make predictions. More data means better guesses. Now on to machine learning, the backbone of AI. There are two main types: supervised and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, we give the AI labeled examples, like apples and oranges, so it knows what's what. In unsupervised learning, the AI groups similar items on its own, like sorting fruits without labels. Neural networks are where the magic happens. These networks are inspired by the human brain and start with a simple perceptron. The more layers, the deeper the learning. This is how AI can recognize speech, classify images, and even drive cars. Now let's get hands-on with Teachable Machine by Google. Go to their website, choose an image project, and upload your photos. Train your model by capturing multiple images, and then test it with real-time predictions. And there you have it, your very own AI image classifier. AI is amazing, and now you know its fundamental building blocks. Comment below with what AI projects you want next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech adventures. See you in the next video.